Before I start today's video, I wanted to let you know that as a scholar, every single term that I use is exact, appropriate, and accepted terminology for describing what I'm doing. Now, sometimes some people interpret alternative meanings for the terminology that I use. Of course, none of this has ever entered my mind while doing this video. So if you think you see something that is slightly suggestive, you better look in the mirror. It might be your dirty mind, not mine. Enjoy. Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr, and I'm your instructor. Whenever I use my FlexShaft, it squeals, and I need to do something to fix that. Maybe you Dremel people understand, but we're going to show you in this video how to grease the FlexShaft in your studio. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to dominate the situation. You need to unplug the unit from your foot pedal. Cease all power. Then, what you want to do is grab the handset and remove it from the shaft with a firm tug, just like that. Then, take a small screwdriver and release the set screw from the motor connector. But don't remove it, just loosen it. And then expose your shaft by sliding the sheath all the way off. Just set it aside, then take a rag and wipe it down. I hope you put down paper because this job is very dirty. Once you've wiped away the old grease from the silencer spring, then you want to reapply a new bit of grease, but you don't need to make sure that it's a smooth, even line. It can be in spits and spurts all the way down the silencer spring up until the last 6 or 8 inches, about the same length or height as an average beer can. Once you've got it greasy, then what you need to do is reapply the sheath. The notched end is for the handpiece with its ball connector. The smooth end goes into the motor connector. So slide the sheath back on. And then make sure that you bottom out into the motor connector. Make sure that you only leave about 3/4 of an inch exposed at the other end. Otherwise, you may have trouble getting the handpiece back on. Once you've adjusted it to the right length, screw the set pin or the set screw back in. You're going to then want to take your FlexShaft, hang it back up, and allow the exposed end to run at high speed in a trash can for about 15 minutes. That will get rid of any excess grease that you can then wipe away. Once it's cleaned up, you can reset the handpiece. I hope you like this video. If you do, share it with a friend. And you can find more like it on onlinejewelryacademy.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to support the production of a future Online Jewelry Academy video, you can do so with a contribution through patreon.com. Thanks for watching.